From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big evening of Evenings Crypto here on this channel. We have the top coins of 2021, and I have new coins for you to consider investing in 2021. These cryptocurrency positions are going up. They're going to the moon, while a lot of coins tonight are down. We'll go over which coins to get into, when to get into, and the price points you need to know. We'll go over why certain coins have absolutely bucked the trend, as a lot of coins are starting to downdraft before the big run-up expected for the weekend. This is Evenings Crypto, and let's make some money starting right now. How are you? I'm excited for you to join me on a big night across the board. First, make sure you subscribe. 400,000 subscribers, a YouTube record. Let's do it. 1 million subscribers. And also like this video and consider becoming a member. Share these videos on Facebook, Reddit, and Twitter and Instagram. And let's get to the breaking news right off the bat. In tonight's recording, we're going to go over a series of new coins, which you've never heard of before on this channel until tonight. Why are these coins making a lot of big moves? And why are these coins been out of the discussion? We'll be looking at some of these coins. We'll look at Engine, which I talked about last night. We'll look at LivePeer. Who's LivePeer? Then we'll be looking again at Polygon. People have been asking me when to get into Polygon. We'll be looking at Synthetic. Then we'll be looking at coins that I've also mentioned, like Decentraland or Mana. Then we'll be looking at what's going on with Bitcoin. We'll be looking at what's going on with Ethereum, and we'll understand why coins like Cardano are downtrendy tonight. We'll be looking at split screen with the crypto exchange and details across the board. But first, let's start here. How are you? In tonight's recording, we're going to see that there's actually some coins that are diamonds in the rough that people have not been talking about that you can actually buy on some of the major exchanges. Oh boy, this is very exciting. So you know how we've done it over the last few weeks. Before the market crash, I was recommending the series of coins: KUSAMA, Aave, Cardano, Polygon, Synthetic, and Solana. Those are among the coins I recommended. I recommend them before the market crash. I recommend them after the market crash. And some viewers have gotten in and out of them twice and have already made money. Let me show you those coins right now. Here you go. So there is the first four: Polygon, Cardano, KUSAMA, and Aave. And then I also said that I like a lot Solana, Shiba, and Synthetic. Well, let's get to see which of these coins are making the big move tonight and which of the coins that potentially you should add to the list. It's one of those nights where there's a lot of things happening, and I don't want you to miss any of them, and we're starting with them right now. All right, so which coins are really fascinating? I have a lot of interest and a lot of curiosity, and I think you should too, on these new coins tonight. And those new coins, some of you saw a preview of yesterday and this morning on Morning's Crypto at 9:30, and they were this: Engine. I also like, of course, Polygon at the right price point, LivePeer, and also Decentraland, which you heard about last night on this channel. Now, we're going to go over why of these three coins, it is LivePeer that absolutely is bucking the trend. We'll look at other coins across the market, but ultimately I want to look at why LivePeer has been that big success story. All right, let's go into the split screen first to start and understand where this market is. We have endured 3 market crashes in the last week. Last week we had 3 market crashes. Week number 1, when the People's Republic of China issued an announcement on a Tuesday. Number 2, a second market crash on a Thursday. And number 3, a downdrafting that started Saturday, went all the way into Sunday, and it was bad. In many cases, it was worse than the first 2 market crashes. So let's look and see what the market is right now on a Thursday evening. The market is down 2.4% right now. Bitcoin is at 38,000, down 1%, so relatively flat. And then comes Ethereum, down 4% at 2,700. Here we go again, Ethereum. I don't know what's your problem, Ethereum. You cannot go up more than 2 days in a row. Before the 2 market crashes, Ethereum was down every single day for 2 weeks at 3% every day. And I said I would like Ethereum to have at least a couple consecutive days of up days. Here we go again. We started the week, and with 1 day, then 2 days, and we're barely getting to the second day, and we're already going negative. Ethereum really is a bad omen of a potential next correction. Remember, my two market crashes, my two market sensors that I use with you are the following: Bitcoin under 35,000 or Ethereum under 2,500. If either event occurs, then you could signal a major downdraft of your altcoins. Well, Ethereum is only one more day away from another $200 drop, and that would trigger our threshold 2,500. We're at 2,700 right now. So another 4% down day, that could signal that your altcoins are getting cheap. So let's go down on market capitalization. Remember how we do it on this channel. The top 4 coins, Cardano at number 5 on market capitalization is down 6% now, down 9% for the day. It is 1.64. I think we have a Cardano chart here somewhere in this group. There is Bitcoin, and there is Ethereum, and there is Cardano. So let's jump into the screen on Cardano. You see my mouse. I'm going to move it up here. So here is Cardano. Crash number 1, crash number 2, crash number 3, which was nothing to do with the People's Republic of China. It was just Sunday. And look where we are right now. Not particularly good compared to crash number 1. That we're just about the level before crash number 1. Let's go out further, understand where this market's heading. No, let's go further than that. Let's go out here. Let's see where we ran up the mountain. Okay, so we ran up the mountain around here. We are on this side of the mountain, and we got really low here. Look how bad this Sunday was. We literally lost the entire mountain of gains. So this is very bad news here, folks. So how much higher up on the mountain are we? We're halfway up. But we went all the way to the bottom of this mountain on Cardano. So another downdraft could take Cardano down substantially. Let's go back into the split screen and let's see what other coins are doing right now. If we go down on market capitalization, then comes Dogecoin. Just, another day of Doge, down 3%, down 6%, down 3%, down 6%. It's just down every single day. I would not buy Doge. I think it's a dog of a coin. It's just down every single day. In going into the 2 market crashes, it was down day after day after day. And now it's down 7% right now. Here is a Doge chart, which I made for viewers before the 2 market crashes, where I said Doge is not on a dip. Doge is on a slide. Because a lot of people were saying, oh, it's just a dip. No, here was Doge before the 2 market crashes. Yeah. The peak was the SNL appearance. So Doge before the 3 market crashes, my apologies, was just down day after day. I don't like Doge. I would not be buying Doge, and I would not be even tracking it. Polygon tonight, down 10% at $2, which is not particularly anything to worry about. It's up 7% for the day, for the week. So why is Polygon still doing so well? Polygon, for my viewers, is been the big winner. I've recommended Polygon since it was $1.10. I had some viewers get it at about $1.10. I've had viewers buy it 2-3 times and sell it 2-3 times in no less than 3 weeks. I had one viewer who bought it on Sunday when it went to 80 cents, sold it yesterday at 234. Imagine that return on the money. Let's look at Polygon. Look how that viewer did it. Let me jump into the chart with the Polygon. So the viewer bought it on 80 cents. We're out of the first, no, let me go out further. That is the 1-day chart. So here we go. The first market crash is further than 7 days, so you're not going to see the first market crash on this chart anymore, the 7-day chart. You're going to see the Sunday point. There you go. The viewer got it at 85 cents, got out at 234, 235. Incredible return on the money. And that viewer's ready to go back in again. I think the viewer has done it twice. Other viewers bought it at 134, considering getting out at 234. So viewers have been asking me when to get a Polygon. Not yet. If Polygon goes to 80 cents, pounds. If Polygon goes to 90 cents, pounds. But don't expect Polygon to go to $4. Don't expect Polygon to go to $5. Expect Polygon to go to $2. Why? Let's look out. Look how many times it's gone to $2. It went to $2 here, and then again here, and then again here, and then again here. It just keeps on going up to $2. Now, it also goes down to $1.90. So it's an easy, cyclical, repeated pattern. If you buy it at 80 cents or 90 cents, it may likely go right back up to $2. But you don't want to wait for $3 because it's not doing that. It's doing $2 something, $2.55, $2.40, $2.30. So you don't want to be too greedy on your profits. All right, let's go back into the split screen and see where our other coins are right now. Again, I recommend Polygon, not at $2. I try to buy it at 80 cents or 90 cents. You'll have that opportunity if there's another downdraft. Solana, down 5% tonight. Then we pulled down on our charts some more. Let's see who's coming up. Aave, one of the coins I recommended, has never rebounded since the second market crash. Since the third market crash hasn't rebounded. So it's down 20% for the 7 days, which means 7 days. The first market crash was on a Tuesday, last Tuesday. The second market crash last week was on a Thursday. So we are beyond the first market crash on the 7-day chart. It is down 20% from the second market crash. So it is not rebounded. That's how you can use that 7-day chart as the benchmark to see if a coin is rebounded, because it was 8 or 9 days ago since the first market crash. And there's Shiba. I mean, you should not be buying Shiba. You should never be buying Shiba. It's down 7%. How bad is Shiba right now? I'm not even going to open the chart. I've done that story enough. Shiba is a bad coin, and it's going to keep on getting worse, and it's just going to keep on going down. It has not done anything good, and it'll just wipe away your investment if you go near it. It's just not a good coin. Let's go down on the other coins across the board. So now as we get lower on our market capitalization, we start to get to some of the coins which are my new stalker coins. So what are stalker coins? Stalker coins are coins that I see something that piques my interest and I want to watch it for a day or two. I don't buy it that same day. For example, Holo, hot, was up a lot for 2 days. I said, stalk it. Guess what? It's down 10% today. Most coins are down 5%. So it's taking a bigger hit today. I don't like that. So now, while I may have stalked you before, now I really don't like you. But then that brings us to Engine Coin and Decentraland and these other coins that you may want to consider. And I think that the next one on the list as well. So here is Engine Coin. Engine is up 14% for the week, so it is up from the second market crash. Decentraland is down for the 7-day, down for the 1 day. So why am I interested in those coins? So let's look at Engine first, and let's see if it's a coin to continue to stock, or if it's a coin that just did well for a day. There's Decentraland. We're going to look at Decentraland in a second. But let's look first at Engine. So here we go. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm going to call it Engine. All right, so you see today's chart. Not a good chart. Let's look at yesterday's chart. Wow. Okay, so that was why that's why I got my interest yesterday, because look, it came out of the second market crash and it went straight up. So you're looking at the 7-day chart. This is a winner. How much of a winner? Look, it was 86 cents. It went as high as $1.90. So almost the same run as a Polygon. A little bit less successful as Polygon, but potentially the same outcome as a Polygon. Let's look out further if it shows us any more. Okay, now we see this may not be as much as an attractive coin. It went to 275. Do we like that this is so down over a longer period of time? Let's look out. Interesting. Let's go out even further. Okay, so this is a coin that's had a lot of problems. So I would really want to know why this coin just downdrafted month after month after month, and why it never wanted to get above a $3. A Polygon could get over $3. I said Polygon could get over $3, but this coin has had a bad run. So I may stalk it, but I may not be interested in buying it, which brings me to LivePeer. All right, LivePeer. Engine and LivePeer are on Gemini. If you notice here, the Gemini app screen is appearing. You can buy these on Gemini. So let's look at LivePeer. Yeah, you just saw that pop. Look at that pop. Let's look out further. Wow. So look at what LivePeer has done straight up. Is there something going on? Yeah, there is something going on. So if you bought at $13, you have now tripled your money. Not as much as a run on Polygon, but this is really good. Look at this chart, LivePeer. So now when we look at Polygon, do I like Polygon better? Of course I do like Polygon better. But I want to get Polygon down here. I want it at 80 cents, and I want to get out at 234. If I can't, I may also really stock a live peer, because a live peer, I may want to get cheap. Now, live peer is on a run, so you may not want live peer just yet. You may want to wait for live peer to downdraft. But if you're more risk aggressive, you may think that maybe live peer is heading back up to here. Live peer was $40. It's $31. Big return your investment? No. I don't like a $30 to $40 movement. I can buy a boring, blue chip stock for that. And then we get to this coin, Synthetic, which was one of the coins I had recommended before the market crash. Look at its movement here. So it came out of the second market crash nice, and it's been relatively flat. So could Synthetic go much higher? Let's look out on the Synthetic chart. Yeah, so Synthetic went up to $21, $13 to $21. That's not doubling your money. Let's go out further. How high can I go on this coin? So Synthetic went to $20 and it's $13. That's not a big return on my money. So of the coins so far, I'm really interested in... did I show you? Oh, I did not show you the last one, which was this one. Yeah, I want to show you this coin, which is Decentraland. What are these coins doing? What do these coins do, by the way? Decentraland is sort of like The Sims. It's a virtual reality on the blockchain. So yeah, it's a virtual reality on the blockchain, and you can buy stuff with the coin. The other one, which was Live Peer, is a live streaming platform on the blockchain. So here's Decentraland. Look at that chart. Really interesting. Let's go to the 7-day. Why did it pique my interest? Because there you go. That's why it piqued my interest. This was Decentraland after Sunday, 56 cents. This is Decentraland now. It went to 90 cents. So 200% return on your money. That's good. I like that. I like a 200% return on my money. I don't want a 50% return on my money. Let me go out further. So has Decentraland had a hard run? Yeah. So look how Decentraland had a run. This is out very far. It once was a 25-cent coin. It went as high as $1.45. It's gone down 70 cents. So you could, if you wanted to be more risk aggressive, you could get in at a cheap, 80 cents, 60 cents price and hope it maybe runs up to $1.40 again and get out. There you go. So let's go back into the split screen and understand where, actually, let me just jump into single screen and understand where we are going into this evening. So we're approaching the weekend. This is what you need to know, because viewers have been asking me when. Okay, viewers have been getting really good. So they say the videos are really helping them. Thank you for the very, very nice comments and saying you're loving this channel, that people say is the most informative crypto channel it is. I try to be as informative. I try to show you a lot of coins. I try to show you a lot of charts to understand how to choose your coin, because ultimately you may not want to choose the coin I'm talking about. You may want to choose another coin. But if you have the skills to understand, I looked out of the 3-month. I looked out of the 6-month. I understand where it's going up the mountain, down the mountain. You're empowering me with information of how to look at the coin, to understand what price to get in and price to get out. Then you can make more independent decisions without the coin recommendations. But here's what you need to know, is that there are certain things at issue. First, we're going into the weekend, and you know what that means. Friday evening to Saturday at about 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the market's usually at its highest point of the day, highest point of the week, and that's Pacific Standard Time. So Friday afternoon, late afternoon to Saturday, about 11 a.m., highest point of the week. So if you're looking to sell, that's likely when you're going to sell. If you're looking to buy, you want to stay away. Now, when do you buy? The lowest part of the week is generally Sunday at about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So that's when you want to be ready and willing to get near that computer, that phone, and get ready to pounce. But there is always the possibility of an unanticipated event. Last weekend, the Saturday was not as strong as it was because of the 2 prior market crashes. So if we could see a bigger downdraft, then that could impact Sunday more. And this is what you also need to know, is that you've learned from this channel, there's 2 types of downdrafts that give you opportunity to buys. There are closing out accounts, and there's just downdrafts. We saw last week how there were points in which we're like this, and then it just went straight down. What does that straight down mean? It means that people had been buying coins on debt, and that the companies just closed out their accounts, closed it out because they were too indebted at that point. But if you're going like this, like we were last Saturday noon to Sunday, then you know it's getting worse. You know it's getting worse, and you have to be ready to come in and know where to get it. Prepare with that list. Get that pen and paper ready. Write down for yourself, I want to buy live peer at 70 cents. I want to buy Decentraland at 80 cents. And I want to buy this many. Know exactly how much you're going to buy, what price, because these events may just really happen within just a 2-hour period. And you want to be really sort of focused on how much you're going to get and how you're going to get in. Then on the sell side, if you're ready to get out, then understand your opportunity to get out when the markets are up. How do you know when the markets are up? First, coinmarketcap.com. You want to see the markets up. You want to see Doge is up. Actually, Bitcoin is up. That Ethereum is up. And you may want to take your profits. What I've been able to show viewers is that taking profits on the high end conservatively is a great thing. That holding is a risk tolerant event. Here's an example. You buy Polygon at a price, let's say $1. It goes to $2. Oh, but I think it's going to go to $5. Well, you're risking it's going to go to $5. There's a high risk that it will never go to $5 because it never has gone to $5. It's like people saying that Doge is going to go to $1. It has never gotten and held over 40 cents for more than 24 hours. So you have a coin that is generally at 30 cents or lower, and you're predicting an event that has never happened. That is risk tolerant. You're taking a major risk. A person who is risk adverse, that is conservative on their profits, would sell Doge on that Saturday Night Live Saturday morning and take that 70-cent level, get out, take their profits, and if Doge drops again, then they can get back in, or they can get into another coin, or they could buy something else like stocks or a home. And so that's what risk tolerant is versus risk averse. You need to know as yourself, do I want to be risky getting in or risky getting out? And people are all different. Some people are risky getting in, and some people are conservative getting out. My opinion is, if I feel that I know how low this coin generally gets, then I sense there's an opportunity on my horizon. But I also have a sense of how high the coin goes. So if I don't want to be a holder of the coin for any duration, I want to just take a nice 300% profit, that I will just take a nice 300% profit, which is, for example, if viewers tell me, should I buy Polygon at $2? Absolutely not. Should I buy Polygons at $1.50? I think you could buy Polygon at a sub $1 level. I told viewers last night in the live chat. So I think if you're patient, you could see that opportunity and you could pounce and buy it at a sub $1 level. Would I hold it all the way to $3? Only if I see an incredible event occurring that it looks like it's really zooming to $3. But if it looks like it's going to lose gas at 230, 220, 240, I'm not going to keep on holding. I'm going to take my profit and get out. I made 300% return on my money. In what, a week? 3 days, 4 days, 2 weeks? Yeah, 300% return your money. That's really good. When you understand that there are coins that are not doing that anymore, you have to understand where your opportunities are. And that's what one of the last messages I want to leave you with tonight is understand your opportunities for profit. What are your opportunities? Do you want 100% return your money in a week or 2 weeks? Do you want 200% return your money? There is no coin that is doing the 500% return your money in a month, or 200% return your 300% return of your money in no, let me say it again. There's no coin that's doing 400, 500, 600, 700% return your money in 30 days anymore. That is not occurring at the moment. So do not think that's going to happen for you. And there are YouTubers are saying that's going to happen. It hasn't happened, and it's still not happening. So there are coins that are giving you 200% return your money. There are coins that are giving you 250% return your money in a week, 5 days, 3 days, 2 weeks. And those are the opportunities that you should take. And understand that's an opportunity. Cash out, take a profit. Don't be greedy and expect a 700% return your money. Don't be unrealistic about how high the coin will be, because you are aggressive getting in and getting a cheap price, but don't be aggressive in holding out for some event, which may not happen. And so with that, let's circle back and understand the coins that are important for you to consider. And yes, these coins are on platforms like Gemini, so they are easy to buy coins. It is never clear why a platform like a Gemini may have a coin so low on market capitalization, but not have a coin like a Cardano on high market capitalization. So here's Engine, track Engine. Here's Live Peer. potentially buy live peer. Here's Polygon, track polygons, potentially buy Polygon. Synthetic, track it. Also, Decentraland, consider Decentraland as well. And every day and every night, people always ask me, what about SafeMoon? Understand that if you have a coin, be able to understand how high and how low it can go. Don't just buy a coin because it's cheap. We don't just buy coins because it's .0000001 not referring to SafeMoon, but a lot of people bought Shiba only for that reason. I have 300 billion coins of Shiba. Congratulations. They keep on getting less money every day. So ultimately, you want a coin that goes up. And with that, join me all day, all night. 12 hours overnight show, always and every day on this channel. Jump into the live chat, share your information, watch from me. I am always in the live chat. Share your comments and questions, and subscribe. I want you part of this community, the fastest growing on YouTube, the fastest growing crypto channel. Don't miss a single video across the board. Also, always stay informed. Always stay knowledgeable about where your coin is going. And with that, hit that subscribe button. 400,000 subscribers in 1 year, a YouTube record. Next stop, 1 million. Like this video, share the videos on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Stay informed, stay focused, and stay with LALATE for more.